She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the gas.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Nata Lee.
On my checks rich, hickeys on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless, I'ma stay progressive.
Nata Lee, also known as Natalia, is not only a fashion model, but also a DJ and a social media sensation.
Yeah, can't think when she's aggressive. Yeah, she snuck into my section. Yeah.
Nata Lee was born on February 17, 1999, in Russia. She's 24 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Aquarius.
I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting
She is about 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighs around 54 kilograms.
yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass, keeping her pad in her.
Her estimated body measurements are 35, 24, 34 inches.
Lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing, they don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She love it.
Nata Lee has had the opportunity to collaborate with some amazing brands, including Guess and Fashion Nova.
Questions I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting. Said she wants to get in. Said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man. You know what happened next.
So, what are your thoughts on Nata Lee? Isn't she absolutely gorgeous?
Confession. Yeah. She wanna stay for a minute. She wanna play for a minute. She wanna slay for a minute. And now I'm all up in it.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
I'll be back in a minute. Make a track in a minute. And now I'm all up in it. No sleep. These girls don't even know me.